Hey, good morning, guys. This is Ken here, Kent and Sherry here at Blessed Farm. I'm going to go inside of here in a few minutes and we're going to do a box reveal from the sponsors that have sent us all the seeds and things that we're going to have for our community seed swap here coming up in February. So we'll be right back here with you. Hey, guys, I'm back inside here to show you what the sponsors have sent us, and I'll go through each box and show you everything that's inside. So stay with me here and I'll give her a shot on every single box. Here we go. All right, guys, the first sponsor we have here is True Leaf Market, and they're out of Salt Lake City, and they sent us a whole bunch of things. They sent us a whole big package of seeds. There's over 300 packages of seeds here. Tomatoes, the flowers, the herbs. Look at all these. This whole box is full of seeds, seed packets. All kinds of vegetables, all kinds of flowers, herbs. I mean, what a great thing. And then they sent us some catalogs. Here you go, the seed catalog. Mountain Valley. You see that there? And they sent us 20 of these. We're going to have folks to go through all this and fill out some order forms and send them in on their own, and then at the end of the seed swap they can take one of these magazines home with them and go through it with their families and see what else they want to buy. So thanks to that company. That's a great thing. We really appreciate it. I mean, it was really sharp. I called them up and said, hey, this is what we're doing, True Leaf Market, and they sent us all those seeds. All right, here's another company. I dropped the paper here. I'll keep everything in one box. All right. Who is this box from? This is from, let me see here. Which one does this come from? Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. All right, Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. And they also sent us over 200 packages of seeds, heirloom seeds. I mean, right here we've got winter squash and pumpkins. I mean, look, it goes all the way down to the bottom there. This section here is, what they got here? Let's see. Tomatoes. Dr. Walter's tomatoes. We got more tomatoes. Cajun Joe okra. Boy, we sure like okra. We've got a bunch of okra here, and then all these. What are these here? Hot peppers. Look at all these hot peppers. Boy, what a great giveaways. And these are, I can't read it there. Corn, different types of corn. So we got corn seeds there. And this one here, basil, purple basil, dark opal basil. So, and then also underneath all these seeds, they also sent us the Southern Exposure Seed Exchange catalogs. And of course, you can go through all this anywhere from corn to beans to squash to peanuts. I mean, there's a whole bunch. And the order forms. We'll make copies of all these order forms and have them out on the tables at the seed exchange so that people can go through them. And then at the end of it, they can pick up one of these magazines and actually take it home with them. All right. Another thing we're going to do, if there's anything left at the end of the seed swap, we're going to find a place to donate them. All right. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in for you. It says Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company. We called them also. Look down in there. They sent us over 300 packages of seeds. And they're all heirloom seeds. I mean, I'll just go over a few of them. I'll pull them out. You can see here we got corn, sweet corn. We've got cucumbers, tomatoes, onion seeds, carrot seeds,
some sweet peppers, hot peppers. What did I drop down here, guys? Oh my goodness, look what I dropped. All these tomatoes, different types of tomatoes. We got to start getting ours in pots. We got, look at there. I mean, just hundreds and hundreds of packets of seeds. Banana peppers, all kinds of peppers, some more okra seeds, different types of okra. I've never seen these kind. Okra bowling red. I've never grew them. Popcorn. You got the mini pinks. That's from Baker Creek. So these are all, I mean, highly appreciated. And these are going to go to some, well, there's lettuce right there. To some great farmers, and they also, and Baker Creek also gave us a vegan cookbook and a giant seed book that we can give away as our one of our giveaways. So that was really good, nice of them to do that to us. This other company here, I just got this in the mail, and this is from Glory Bee Handlers. Okay, they're out of Oregon, Eugene, Oregon. They sent us a whole bunch of books with all the things on beekeeping. All right, they sent us 25, 30 catalogs, 20 catalogs, 2018 catalog, and all things beekeeping products catalog and resource guide. So it goes all the way through. We're going to have these here, and we got a guy coming in talking about pollination for us, and it's got everything from making your own to uniforms, to hats, to all kinds of stuff. Honey sticks. Some of y'all have seen honey sticks, and then over here you can actually buy the kit to make the honey sticks. But they've got all kinds of honeys and mixtures for it. Then you can go into actual making candles with the beeswax. But it has all the equipment that you need, and stories and things from beekeepers. All the equipment to process your own your own honey with your own bees. You can also buy the equipment here. Here's the uniforms and beehives, all the equipment for the beehives. So I mean, it's pretty interesting, and like I said, we have a local beekeeper that's going to come up here and talk to us about pollination, and what bees do for us in our gardens and our flower gardens. So these are just a few of the major people that gave us magazines and seeds for our seed swap. I'm really excited. So that's kind of the way it is. So as you can see here, guys, our sponsors are really getting behind us. I'm excited. It's the first annual seed swap here in Northeast Texas. I hope we get a whole lot of y'all come in from wherever you need, and as far as you want to drive, and got a places that you can stay overnight, and join some time with us. Bring your seeds to us, and we can trade them off with people down here, and we can trade some back to you where you're from. I hope y'all come. Like I said, I'm going to keep hitting on every video talking about it. And right now we're looking at the last week of February, because here in Northeast Texas, that's kind of our beginning of our plant season. Like onion sets and those types of things. A couple things, So we're getting her going. I almost got the flyer done, so I'll post a copy of the flyer up there on the next video so you can see the video, and it'll tell you what time and what date and where the location is going to be. But like you see, the sponsors are behind us. They sent us boxes and boxes of seeds and magazines and books, and I'm really excited about it. So I hope all y'all can make it. Come on down and visit us. Make sure you subscribe. Links down below, and check us out. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. This is our first time doing this, and any help, we'd be highly appreciated. So y'all live well, and of course, and always, man, God bless y'all.
Hey guys, so there you go. That's all the things that were sent to us here from our sponsors so far. We've got a few more sponsors that we're waiting on the things to come out here. It looks like it's going to be a really good event. Like I said, if you're in the area, or if you'd like to, come on down to Northeast Texas. Send me a comment or a text, and I can give you the address of the location of the event. We're still working on it and getting the flyers done, and Hey, if you have any suggestions, if you've ever done it, let me know. This, like I said before, this is our first time at doing this type of thing, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. So come on out and see us, be part of it. You know, bring your extra seeds, bring things you like to share, information you want to share. Hey man, we appreciate anything that anybody wants to come and share with the rest of us. You know, things you see that work, things you see that don't work. Hey, let us all know. We're going to have some pretty great speakers. So come on down and be a part of it, man. Hey, we appreciate y'all. Hey, check us out down below. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I got an Amazon link down below. We get a couple little cents to help the channel. We got a Pinterest site if you'd like to go and help support our farm. Appreciate any kind of help at all on anything. Man, it's going to be great. So come on down and see us. Like I said, hey, we appreciate y'all. I want y'all to live well, and of course and always, man, God bless y'all. See y'all real soon.